lot of viewers have been asking to see how we've been making our fiberglass Supra race car. So we are going to put this video together. This is the front bumper, and we have the headlights molded in as well so that you can add your own headlights. And we will show you the mold process here and how it comes out of the mold. Here's the flange with all the bolts that we will be taking off before we split the mold. We split it right down the center. First we take the bolts out of the flange of the mold, and then we'll flip the mold over and split it right down the middle to pull the product out. After a lot of plastic wedges and elbow grease, you just pull the molds off. There's the one side. Lift up the other side now. And there's your front Supra bumper. There it is, the front bumper for a Supra. Give us a follow if you want to see the rest of the build. You can look at us at suprarr.com and torontoturbo.com. Have a great day.